Frog in the rain. There's frog in the what? Frog in the flip.
I thought he was gonna eat that worm. Take the shirt out of him.
Frog in the... He looks like he wants to eat that worm. Why? Wait, where's it? I lost it. Hi, Mr. Frog. Why do you want to eat a worm? I lost it again. Why do you want to eat a worm? It's slowly getting away. The worm's like, flip this trash and I'm out. Oh! Frog said goodbye.
Where'd he go?
Right in the leaves.
Hmm?
Oh, there it is. I see it.
Oh, he hopped over there.
There.
He jabbed it in the back too to go.
What?
Shirt.
Oh. Froggy boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Froggy boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Froggy boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Where's the worm that I wanted to eat? Oh, there you are. You're safe, mister.